Hey, what's up guys? My name is Peter. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make the ever so popular crispy pork belly. It's versatile, it's delicious. A lot of different countries have their own take on it. Now I've been making the crispy pork belly for a long time, and only recently did I discover that I've been making it wrong. There are so many crispy pork belly recipes out there on the internet, but most of these recipes focus solely on making the skin crispy and crackling. And because I use some of these recipes, I realized that my pork actually is always kind of dry. I'm going to show you a simple method on how to fix this. We are going to brine the pork. Brining is basically taking the pork or taking the meat and soaking it in a salt water solution. And in this process, the pork will absorb the liquid. When you go and cook the meat, it will start with more moisture than it originally had, and so that it will still be tender and juicy after the cooking process.
Check out my daddy's videos. He's awesome.
Thanks, buddy. Here, cheers. Oh. Know the skin?
Yeah.
My finger.